Hello, good afternoon. This is CRS year 2019 past question. Question number 29 says, in the book of Amos, selling the needy for a pair of shoes means dash. A. The needy had the same value as shoes. B. The needy did not need shoes. C. Shoes were much more valuable than the needy. D. The rich dishonored the less privileged. The correct option here is option D. That is the figurative expression of selling the needy for a pair of shoe in the book of Amos. So we find this in the book of Amos chapter 8 verse 6. That's where the story is, and this is to teach the rich people in the society at that time that they actually oppressed the poor in their midst. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you and God bless you.